Hello YouTube, we are back with another video on the Survival series. Oh, okay, hello. What do you plan to do today? Sleep. Oh, I'm going up the tower. Okay, I'm going to sleep. There's a zombie at your door. He's coming. No, he's now at your window. Okay. I'm gonna go sleep. What are you doing in the actual video though instead of sleep? Okay, well, I won't find out because I'll be upstairs. I don't know. Where's that creeper gone? Oh, poor guy. Come and have a look. He's stuck in a hole, he is. Ow. I fell off the tower. Yeah, I can see. Yes. You have quite a few chicken eggs in your area, by the way. Go and claim your chicken eggs. You know what you should call one of your chickens? Brian. Yep. Brian. Because Angry Ginger called his chicken Brian. What? West Virginia. No. Blue power lines, yeah. What, Sue? Yes, I was about to say. No, do you want to play dominoes? Do you want to play dominoes? Now. Fortnite. No. Did you? What'd you do that for? Oh, I've done it wrong. I've built it too far. I don't want to. Not sure what the purpose of me placing these trapdoors are. Actually, I do. It's to stop spiders from spawning, but it's not going to work. They still spawn anyway. Fun. Yeah, no, I'm not placing these trapdoors down. Spiders are still going to spawn anyway. I've built it wrong, I have. I have. One, two, three. Uh-oh. Nearly jumped on the bridge. Hey. Cool. Can you eat it? Can you eat it? scary. Don't die. What? 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 Hot shit. Pun. Where do I put all my iron? Yeah. Oh, that's the second one, I think. It is. What? Fish? Fish on? What? What is he good? Is he just casting his fishing rod at you? Is he? Yeah, I've built this wrong. Didn't know that. I'm level 18. You forgot what? That you was that age. What did you forget? What's going on? I understand it. What? What's going on? I forgot what. I think haven't I been building this for 4 videos? Okay. No, you do not. I do sometimes. You. What are you eating? Oh, I'm gonna go and eat some food actually. I might go and eat some chili heat wave Doritos. Okay, that doesn't work. Damn it. I've messed up. Bruv. Cheers. That was much appreciated. What? Eh? Okay, that works. I haven't done it properly. I actually am waiting for Christmas, yeah. Are you? Good. What are you? No, it's not. You're not getting it. I don't know why you would want a baitcaster. Why would you? So, Oz, tell me, how do you untangle a bird's nest? Tell me then. Go on. Yes, but what if the entire line needs to come off? Then what? Well, then that's just no fun, isn't it? Don't ask. No. No, I did not. You asked me how to do it. Yeah. So do I. Yeah. No. What we talking about? I need to turn my in-game volume down. Last year I got like 3 carp rods. I get some lures. I get a frog lure, I think. Steve. Huh. I want a Steve hat. I did. She said no. She said too late now. I asked her if I could have a guru hat and she said no. Too late now. I also asked for polarised glasses. She said no. I know. I'll have them. No, I don't want them. They're not good. No, they are not. They don't... What? Oh no, that costs 20 quid. Don't know why I would want a snag bro jig fly. Just to get snagged. Does it? I don't think so. No. I can't sleep. I'm up here. No. Pardon? Who? Are you calling that? Who are you calling that? Me? You wanna watch it, buddy? Because I am not. You. Hope she gives you redstone. Not. So what's your language with me, buddy, okay? Ah, she's poisoned you. Told ya. Are you... Yeah, I think so. This is why we clash. Oh, yeah? Told ya. I'm alright. Pardon? I'm about to run out of deep slate. I may need to come back down for sleep and deep slate. Really hope this works. I know spiders are gonna spawn. No matter what I do. Although what? Just... Eh? They do. No, it's not. I've got one in my own world. Oh yeah. Yeah, unless the creeper decides to come out of nowhere and just decides to blow them all up at once. Which usually happens to me, and then it blows up the entire thing at the bottom. And then mobs start leaking out all over the floor. Because they don't know what to do and they panic. And then I die. I did panic. Have you got any more cobble deep slate? Because I'm going to need to borrow some of that. I can't. I'm currently digging down from the top of a tower. Well, how else am I getting down? I can't. How am I sleeping, mate? I'm on my way. I want to go play darts. Can't be asked though. Nah, tomorrow. When I ain't got a video to make and I only have a workout to do. And make a Billie Eilish edit. No, I had no time. There was no time. I didn't have enough time to do it. No, it takes me like an hour and a half. Or an hour. It takes me like an hour and a half. Because it does. Okay, my pickaxe is about to break. I might need assistance. Oh, maybe not. I made it. Although I'm going to need a new pickaxe. Eh? Gravy? Oh. I don't like gravy. Do you? I know. Do you like gravy? You mean sometimes. Have you actually made any progress this video? What have you done? That is all you have done, yes. It's not much progress though, is it? We still need to make your video as well. And we've got to play Rocket League for that. And we've got to play Rocket League for that. I'm coming to collect some more cobble deep slate. I need to come ahead. Hold on. I have a question. Trapdoor. Decoration. Hold up. I need to go knock on the trapdoor. Hello? Hello? Oh. Hello? Hello? Okay, hand me the cobble deep slate. I would like the cobble deep slate, please. Okay, I shall now disappear. Oh, maybe not. What? Help me! What, lay down? What, using the trapdoors to lay down? No. I really hope there's mobs at the top of this tower waiting for me. I really hope there's mobs at the top of this tower. Yes. Because I don't really know if it's going to work though. I really hope it does. Oh! Hello! Hi, buddy! So I've just looked up and would you like to know what I've seen? It appears that come up here really quick. Well then, how devious. I'm not sure you're meant to be there, are you? Hello. Sorry to disturb you on this fine day, sir. I will leave you be. I am. I don't know, but that's not. I mean, at least I know it's working. Just walk in here and just look up. Perhaps could you kill him? No, he is very gentle. Where? Don't explode, please. What? Ah! My apologies, I whacked you. So did I. I didn't really want my build exploding. Not yet, at least. Maybe when I finish it. I swear to God, if there's another creeper sitting at the top waiting for me. How civilized of him. He wanted to build a house there, clearly. I need assistance. Eh? I need help destroying this pillar. Oh. So you've just killed a baby cow. For no reason. Nice. Apparently, according to my mother, tosser is a swear word. I disagree. Also, so I need help. Like, genuinely, can you come and help me destroy this pillar? House? No, I need help. Help me. You need help more than me. No. No. Should I go in tomorrow? I can't be asked. Oh, looks like I've got to go in. Nah, I can't be asked. Oh, definitely not coming in then. Okay, I'm coming in. No, I'm not. No. Don't want to. Pardon? Pardon you? Oh. Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs. Not yet. Help! I need to get down quickly, just in case some friendly guys start spawning above my head. And they fall down on me and try to say, kabloom, kablam. Hubba hubba, yes. Okay, so that means it's working. Because I've seen the screw here. Although he was not supposed to be here yet. He was only supposed to come when this was finished, but... Jumping down. I've almost finished. What's the point? What are you doing? What are you doing? I need some torches. What are you doing? We need to play Just Build. No, wait, is it Just Build? Because Kempy said it's still in the game. Excuse me, there we go. Did you? Uh-oh, there's 5 minutes left of the video, by the way. You've made nothing. You've made nothing. You've done nothing. I'm not aware. I'm going up to the tower. No. Yep, nice. What you pointing at? Christmas? What are you pointing at? It's raining. What, to go and point at something? Okay, so you fell off the ladder. Maybe don't. No, I say you're not coming up. What are you pointing at? Uh-oh. I don't think this is working. It might work. What are you pointing at? How do you do it? Ah. I haven't got any. Yeah, I haven't got anything assigned. What? Oh! Yes! Yes, it works. Uh-oh, just don't crouch. Poor guy. Don't crouch because it will blow. I know. Okay, at least it works. Was you gonna jump off anyway? Ah, I helped you. Uh-oh. Okay, that works. The thing. I'm coming to bed. What's your nan do? Pardon? Ah. There's 2.5 minutes left of the video, by the way. Oh no. I'm not sure if you're okay. What jump? Michael Osborne. Who's that? Oh? Who? Yeah, do you want that one, please? This? Okay, I did it. I'm just gonna go up here because this is where I'm gonna end the video, and I'm gonna do mob farming up here tomorrow. No? 2 days. Okay, it works, but pardon? I don't know. No, I can't turn up tick speed because I've turned cheats on. Oh, no. Oh, where? No, you can't. What are you going to breed it with? My cats? pub. What? No, he hasn't. He said TV go off. Oh. What are you asking, bruv? Okay. I don't know. Would you like me to come down so you could do the outro? Hey? Okay, I'm gonna do the outro anyway. Okay. I want. Oh no.
No, Callum. You're fucking out of order.
Language.
Don't fucking care.
Language.
Theo, here, babe.
Don't hit me. This is the end of today's. Stop.
Theo. Come up here.
This is the end of today's video. We'll be back in 2 days. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.